Hey friends, let's do Kentucky Rain Guitar Lesson by Elvis Presley. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on an F major 7 chord, so play the open E, first fret on the B, second fret on the G, and do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just go to all opens, so and then we do it 4 times again. E, B, G, 4 times, 3, 4. Back to our F major 7, another 4 times. Then we're going to a G sus4, so just play the 3rd fret on the E string, mute the A, open D, G, 1st fret on the B, and 3rd fret on the E, and sus4, just 1 down strum to G. And that's our intro there. So we're just starting on a C chord and we're doing down, 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 up. So down, down, up. And that's just half a bar there. Then go to a C sus2, so just lift your 2nd finger off, same again. Down, 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 up. Back to C again, down, 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 up. Then go to a C sus4, we're going to play 3rd fret on the A and the D, open G, 1st fret on the B and the E, and same again, half a bar. Down, down, up. Back to C, half a bar. Go to F over C, half a bar. Then go to C and we're doing a down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up for a full bar there. So F half a bar, same strumming pattern as before. G half a bar. Then we're just doing a 1 count on the C, so do a down, down, up. C over B, down, down, up. To A minor for half a bar again. Down, down, up. Then go to D for a full bar, the same way we did the C for a full bar. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. To D7, full bar again. Then to our G sus4 for half a bar. To G half a bar. Back to our G sus4 half a bar. To our G half a bar. And then we're repeating from there. We have the C again, C sus2, C, C sus4, C again, F over C, to C for a bar, so it's all the same so far. F for half a bar, G half a bar, C to C over B, to our A minor for half a bar, to D for a full bar, so all the same again, to our D7. This time just do the G sus4 for half a bar, to G half a bar. Then go back to the intro with our picking of the F major 7 chord, just do it 2 times. Then just play F major 7, A minor, and that gets us ready for the pre-chorus. So. And that's our verse there. So this time starting with a D and just do it for a bar, the same as our strumming pattern before. To a C for half a bar. Then we're going to this G major 7, add 13. So play the 3rd fret on the E, 2nd on the A, play the fourth on the D and then open G, B and E. And we're just doing that for half a bar there as well. So to E minor for a bar. Then just all one down strum on these. A minor, G, F, E minor, back to F major 7 and do 3 downs, down, down, down. Hold that F major 7 and pick E, B, G, D, and then go back to 2nd fret D. Now if you want to, you can play the C major 7 chord there. And then our build up, A minor, 1 strum, A minor 7, G, to F for a bar, to the G sus4 for half a bar, to G for half a bar. And that's our pre-chorus there, so let's do it slowly. It's a little confusing, that part. That's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus, we're just doing C for half a bar, E minor for half a bar, F for half a bar, G for half a bar, and just do C as a down strum, C major 7 as a down strum, and then we just go back to our F major 7 picking like we did in the intro 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, to our G sus4, to our G, same as the intro there, and that's our chorus. From there we go back to the verse and repeat that all again, exactly the same. Our pre-chorus is the same. So this is the same as our previous chorus, we're just leaving off the end part, so we just got C for half a bar, E minor half a bar, F for half a bar, and G for half a bar. And you just keep repeating that till the end, and they're all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Kentucky Rain Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.